I'm Scott Youngblood. I'm the General Manager and Playground Director here at Embassy Suites at Washington Square. We've had the good fortune to work with a number of vendors who were very good in specialty work. As it relates to floor and carpet care, which is principally what we have done with Summit, the experience has been unparalleled. The dedication to science and chemistry, making sure that we're not applying a blanket approach to every problem. Lots of tools, not just a hammer, however that analogy goes. One of the real benefits to working with Summit was through our partnership, their familiarity with our building and physical plant, and having a great knowledge of all of the people that work here at the hotel. When we had a circumstance that required restoration service, the fact that we already had Summit as a partner made all the difference. They were able to come in discreetly, professionally, with intimate knowledge of the building, with intimate knowledge of the needs of our management team and our guests, quite honestly, to make sure that we were able to do the restorative work that needed to happen quickly, efficiently, on budget, ahead of time, everything that you would want in a project that you might otherwise feel like could be a little bit out of control.